Hi, welcome to my video, and this video is on the multiples of 6 and how multiplying 6 by an even number you get a pattern. So here I wrote already out some equations of 6 being multiplied by an even number. So 2 is an even number, 4 is an even number, 6 is an even number, and 8 is an even number. And when you get 6 times 2, you get 12. When you get 6 times 4, you get 24. When you get 6 times 6 is 36, and 6 times 8 is 48. Now, let's look at the pattern. I'll give you a second to look to see maybe if you see a pattern already. It might be tricky, but give it a try. Okay, I'll tell you. So the pattern is when you multiply 6 by an even number, in the product is, in the ones place, it's always going to be an even number. And in the tens place of the product, it's always going to be half the even number in the ones place. So I'll explain it even better by showing you. Six times 2, we know the answer is 12. Now let's break it down. When you are talking about 12, we already know that the 1 is in the tens place. But technically, when something's in the tens place, it's single number. So yes, we can say it's 1, but in reality, the 1 is a 10. And then the ones place, of course, it's 2. So when looking at this, you can see the pattern is in the ones place, it's 2. And then ask yourself, what's half of 2? What comes to mind? 1. So that's a pattern. We can try it out with 6 times 4. So 6 times 4 is 24. Let's see if it follows the pattern. 4 is an even number. So far, the pattern is correct. 4. What's half of 4? Let's see. We can do 4 minus 2. 2. And look. 2 is in the tens place, and technically it's 20, but 2. Let's do one last one. 6 times 6. 36. No, what's half of 6? Now, you might be asking, where did I get the 3 from? Well, we know what's half of 6. Let's see. If this is 6, and we take away half. Half will be, let's see, 1, 2, 3. Yes, because if you see 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. So that's how we know half of 6 is 3. Oops, I put 6. I meant 3. And just so we could be a little more safe, we can do 6 times 8 equals, okay, we see it's 48. So let's see, what's half of 8? It's 4. And how do we know that? Let's see. We can start with 4 fingers, and let's see if we add 4, what does that equal? 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. And this is my fingers up of 8 fingers. Let's see half of it. 1, 2, 3, 4 is 4. So 48. So again, we can do it over. The pattern we see is when 6 is multiplied by an even number, the product is shown where it's in the tens place, is half the number, in the ones place. And this just shows you that there's many patterns, and this is one pattern when you do the multiples of 6, or to be more specific, when you multiply an even number with 6.